Congratulations! Now that you have chosen to stand out and deliver your video communications and presentations more effectively, 2 packages are prepared specially for you to meet your requirements and budget. That is, Virtual Studio Starter Kit starting at 19,995 pesos. Virtual Studio Professional Kit starting at 109,995 pesos. We understand the struggles you have right now. From poor video, poor lighting, embarrassing background, to not so clear audio from you and your audience. We have addressed these concerns even at the starting price of 19,995 pesos. So what is included on the starter kit? 1080p 30 frames per second webcam with autofocus feature, wired lapel microphone with good signal-to-noise ratio, lighting with stand and bicolor dimmable setting to set the mood right, green screen to create a more professional background without the need to replace or upgrade your current laptop PC. Our solution is easy to set up with installation guide and online technical support ready to assist you. Again, you create a more impactful video and branding just for a starting price of 19,995 pesos. Optional upgrades when you are processing your final order. For more demanding branding, ad insertion, graphics overlay, presentation, and video over your background, live streaming simultaneously on Facebook and YouTube, the Virtual Studio Professional Kit would be the right package for you. With a starting price of 109,995 pesos, it is like airing your video just like how TV stations are doing so. Professional Kit includes the following: Full HD 1080p 60 frames per second DSLR camera, a mini switcher that can deliver the following: downstream, graphics, logo and branding system, 4 input video sources and 2 additional external audio sources, seamless transition of different sources from cuts, dissolves, wipes, and DVEs, advanced chroma keying and graphic ad insertion to put your video, PowerPoint, live game, website, and many more as your background. Separate videos have been produced with links below so you can check out the powerful features in action. The Professional Kit is more fitted to gym, live performances, school administrators, vloggers, gamers, Forex and stock traders, main churches, and public servants. Upgrading for live remote streaming, creation of your own portal or app, donation system, are also available to empower you on your branding and monetization of your video productions and presentations. Ad ticketing system, online payment, and pay-per-view. Just reach out to Media Convergence and we'll gladly help you with your needs for further customization. Thank you for watching this video, and order now to start yourself with more exciting video creation that could impact well to your targeted audiences.